Y-type slurry valve. Y-type slurry valve is a product developed and manufactured for alumina plant on the basis of absorbing advanced technologies abroad. Through years of continuous exploration and accumulation, a complete system comprising the design, manufacture, warranty and service provision of alumina valves have been established. Its main features are as follows. 1. The design of valve body flow passage. Having a streamlined design, the medium flow passage is closely approximate to a straight line in order to reduce the flow resistance effectively and give rise to a higher CV value. In the meantime, the computerized 3D modeling and the simulation of working conditions are used in the design, as the inner cavity produces no materials at all under working conditions. No scabbing is visible therein and therefore effectively extends the life of the valve. 2. The design wall thickness of the shell is higher than the standard requirements. Non-destructive test is conducted on positions of the passage having larger curvatures, and the test record is made with respect to the actual wall thickness of the wall. The overall structure is compact, good-looking, and agile to open. 3. The design of separated seat and body. The seat is kept centering relative to the stem and disc during assembly to achieve tight cutoff in the long run. The separated valve seat guarantees a uniform thickness of the weld deposit and the desired hardness after heat treatment in case of special alloy materials servicing, making it easy to conduct non-destructive tests on the seal phase and for instant inspection and repair by removing the valve body connecting bolts. 4. Bolts are used for secure and reliable connection between valve discs and disc sockets and made them easily removable, particularly after a period of operation under working conditions, when the valve is still accessible and convenient for servicing and removal on site. 5. The use of anti-rotation mechanism on the stem keeps the stem to move linearly up and down, based upon the fluid characteristics of materials used in alumina plant. The upper flare design ensures the seal phase to be less likely being scabbed and guarantees the seal effect required. The special valve design allows the stem to run at no load, even when the valve is scabbed for the purpose of improving valve operating safety and prolonging its service life. 6. Stem packing. With a braided graphite wrapping the upper and lower positions respectively in 2 round turns and flexible graphite form in between. This design guarantees the shielding strength of both the packing and the stem and gets rid of the graphite powder attached to the stem effectively during stem motion. 7. The cavity of the valve body is provided with high alloy steel ring resistant to medium erosion. When the valve opens or closes, the medium flow increases and the fluid jets at the valve body along the disc seal phase. In order to prolong the life of the valve as a whole, a higher alloy steel protective ring is separately added. 8. Safety protection. To prevent environment pollution and threat to operators' health caused by medium leakage, safety guard rings are designed in the middle sandwich by the left and right valve bodies so that the leaked medium can flow down away from the valve. 9. Air tightness. Based upon the absorption of overseas proprietary technologies, we've made significant improvement with respect to the surfacing materials used on the seal phase. The seal phase uses cold bore-based high alloy material for plasma R surfacing, whose hardness, via heat treatment, is adjusted to the optimal state that can best resist the wash, erosion and impact, increasing the seal phase strength by at least twice the strength of general valves. The seal phase is line contact sealed and not susceptible to have scab under working conditions. The thickness of the seal phase ensures the dimensions after machining reaches design requirements. As being examined in the working conditions of alumina plant, the seal phase has proven performance that wins out the similar imported products in China.